Now, the next thing we are going to look at is Customized Excel SMS. Customized Excel SMS. So let's click on that one. It's not too different from Excel SMS. The only difference is that here we want to communicate some unique information to the people whose contact we have. For instance, we want to send a message to over 500 people, but we want to mention their names in the messages. So I want everybody to receive the message with their name, like Dear Martin, Dear Kofi, Dear Amma. But it's one SMS we are sending. So we are customizing the message so that people will receive unique messages. All you need to do is to create the Excel. The template is here, download it and see how it is. You put the telephone numbers in the first column. Telephone numbers are always in the first column. Then what other information do you want to put there? You can put it in the B, C, or. So the example we have here is a message, let's say for a report card. So we want to send report cards to parents. And these are the information they want to communicate. They want to send the same message, but each parent to receive different messages based on the name of their child. So in Excel, this is column A, but we call it 1. So if you read here, it tells you that the first column should contain the telephone numbers, and the other columns can contain any other information that you want to include in the message. Now, so let's say we want to send this message to these people and we want them to have this name. So what we do is that we will say, let's say, Dear, instead of writing Dear Messiah, we'll put the square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So once we send the message, it will go as Dear Messiah Joe to this person, the person whose contact is at number 1. The next person will also receive the same message, but his will read as Dear Bright Smith. We are putting 5 here because the column E is the 5th column. Assuming the names are in column B, it would have been 2. So we'll put the Dear into square brackets 2. Look at how the bracket has been written here or drawn here. It should be the square bracket, not the normal bracket. Once you do that, feel free and type your message and send it. Once you send it, everybody will receive with a different message. Also, we want to say, Dear Messiah, you have scored. So we are now using, we want to tell them that they have scored 943. 943. Okay, but I'll put 2 there. So I'm saying that you have scored this, the number amount, the figures here. And your position is, the positions are in column 3, so I put it here. Once we send this message, they are going to receive it individually with different information. That is how we use it. Just like we did for Excel, once you type the message, you upload this document that you may have on your machine, and then you select the sender ID. Then you can either choose to schedule it for another time or you send it. Once you send it, everybody will receive it, differently.